Hello friends! In this video we intend to go through the process of verifying and authenticating a Quotex broker account. Together, we log into the Quotex broker account, select the account option, and fill in the sections related to first name, last name, date of birth, country, and address. After entering the first name, last name, date of birth, and address, you click on the Save option. After completing the first name, last name, date of birth, and address, you click on the Save option. In this section, you need to upload documents including a passport, driver's license, and ID card to the broker. You click on the Upload Document option. In this section, we select the option All Countries, except USA, which indicates that the person is not an American citizen, and click on the Continue option to enter the account creation process. From the document selection section, we choose the ID card option. You also have the option to use a passport, driver's license, and residence permit. In this section, you can see the documents accepted by the broker, which must be clear, and all four corners should be fully visible in the image. If the documents are uploaded in this manner, they will not be accepted by the broker. In this section, to upload the document, you need to click on the Upload option. We select the document. We choose the Open option so that the document appears in this section. Additionally, for the back of the document, we click on the Back option. Both documents have been uploaded. If we intend to make changes to the document, or if the uploaded image does not have good quality, or does not meet the conditions of having all four corners visible in the image, we can delete the image and select a higher quality one. Finally, we click on the Next option. In this section, the uploaded documents are being reviewed. The document you uploaded has been approved by the broker, and your account is currently verified. Account verification at Quotex Broker is that simple. By uploading an identification document, such as a passport, ID card, or driver's license. Good luck!